The front door is locked. The windows are locked too. I see a chimney on the roof. Perfect. I will climb up there.
These chips taste great. No rules tonight. Best night ever. Mom and Dad are away. Wait! Mom is calling right now. Oh no. Look at this messy room. Quick! Clean everything fast. Hurry! I am picking up the toys. I will hide these snack bags. Hello, Mom. Hello, Dad.
Hello, my kids. We miss you so much.
Are you both okay at home? Yes, Mom. Everything is fine here. Is the house clean and safe?
Yes, Mom. The house is very tidy.
Good. Remember to lock the doors tonight.
Stay safe, okay?
We will. Love you. Love you too. Enjoy your trip.
Bye, sweethearts. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes! Freedom again! Let's eat fried chicken! Party time! Ah! The doorbell is ringing. That must be the delivery. Hello, sir.
Delivery for Maya and Leo. Fried chicken.
Thank you.
Enjoy your meal, kids.
Mom asked who was at the door. Just tell her it is the delivery man. Mom, it was the food delivery. Okay. Stay careful and lock everything. Do not worry, Mom. Good night. Good night. Look at this chicken. It smells amazing. I am starving. Let's eat before it gets cold.
The front door is locked. The windows are locked too. I see a chimney on the roof. Perfect. I will climb up there. This will be easy. Why is this chimney so tight? Uh-oh. I am slipping. Ouch. My back hurts so much.
Leo, did you hear that sound? Maybe a toy fell down. Or maybe Santa Claus came early. Maya, it is summer. That is impossible. I will check downstairs quickly.
Someone is coming. I must hide.
Hello, Santa. Do you have candy? Nobody is here. Maybe it was the wind. Leo, it is nothing. Let's sleep.
Finally, they went upstairs. I watched this house all afternoon. I am very hungry. Oh, wow. Fried chicken. This chicken tastes wonderful. Okay, now I need money or jewelry. Where is the treasure? Only toys everywhere. Maybe the bedroom has something valuable.
I am thirsty. I need some water. Leo left toys everywhere again. Wait, what are these footprints? Black footprints on the floor. Something is wrong.
Did I hear something outside? I must stay quiet.
Oh my gosh! Someone is in the house! Leo! Leo! Wake up! Huh? Huh? Is it morning already? There is a thief in Mom's room. Is it Santa with pizza? No. A real bad guy. We must call 911 now. 911. What is your emergency? Hello. My name is Maya. My address is 123 Maple Street. There is a thief in our house. Stay calm, Maya. Police are on the way now. Thank you. The police are coming soon. We must stay safe and hide. Or we can slow him down. I have marbles ready. I have rope ready. Sticky tape trap ready.
Time to leave this silly house. Whoa! What are these marbles? Ouch! My nose! There is a rope. I am falling again. Ew. My shoes are stuck. This floor is so sticky.
Boo! Boo! Leave our house! We are the ghosts of messy kids.
Ghosts! Help me! Mommy! This house is haunted!
Police! Freeze right there! Freeze right there! Do not move! Police! Freeze right there! Do not move!
The ghosts are still here!
Those are not ghosts.
They are two brave kids!
Surprise! It is just us. The bad guy fainted again.
Good job calling 911, Maya. That was the right choice.
Maya, Leo.
Are you two okay?
We came home on the first flight. We are okay, Mom. The thief slipped and fell everywhere.
I am proud of you both.
But this was very dangerous. What does dangerous mean?
It means someone could get hurt.
Next time, hide and wait for police.
Do not try to fight alone.
Yes, officer, we understand. We promise to be careful.
Come here. Big hug. Our brave kids.
I feel safe now. Me too. Look at the snow. It is bright and white. Brr. It is very cold today. Ethan, zip up your jacket. Thanks, Grace. I feel warmer now. Maya, where is your scarf? I have my yellow scarf here. I have blue gloves. Ready for snow. Look at my cool ski goggles. Wait, do not start yet. First, we learn how to ski safely. Straight skis are called French fries. That makes you go faster. To stop, make a pizza shape. A big triangle with your skis. French fries to go. Pizza to stop. Pizza. French fries. Funny names. I am already a ski master. Watch me fly! Woohoo! So fast! Oh no! I am going too fast! How do I stop? Dad crashed into the snow. Dad looks like a snowman. We must go help him. Follow me slowly. Remember the pizza shape. Pizza shape. Slow down. Brr. That snow was freezing. Next time, listen first, Ethan. You are right. Safety first. Did you learn new words today? Pizza shape or French fries? Do you like snow? Tell us in the comments. Please like and share this video. And subscribe for more fun English stories. Bye-bye. See you next time.